Be a breadwinner this Valentine's Day by getting your date an Olive Garden breadstick bouquet. The chain is offering the special arrangement, but it won't be featured on any menus. Customers have to print out one of several Olive Garden bouquet wrapping papers, which have phrases like "love at first bite," "roses are red, violets are blue, here's a bouquet of breadsticks I made for you," and "to have and to hold," and most importantly, to eat. After choosing a message and printing it out, head to your local Olive Garden and order breadsticks to go. If you want to make your gift even more memorable, Olive Garden is also offering a special Valentine's Day to-go dinner for two. The meal, which starts at $35.99, includes a soup or salad, one shareable entree, a dessert, and of course, breadsticks with the dipping sauce of your choice. Summer Delaney, Pix 11 News.